Let me ask you something. Wouldn't it be nice if you can make money online on autopilot? With just a few clicks, you can launch a few campaigns and make money immediately. Like this, or like this, or maybe like this. Imagine getting deposits into your bank account while you sleep. What would you do? Would you quit your job and travel the world? Sit on some beach all day drinking lemonade? Open a non-profit to help less fortunate individuals? Or simply save enough for a house of your dreams? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money without lifting your finger right from your living room. Let's get into the method. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to find a good offer to promote. Now, this is very, very important that you guys understand this. This is very, very crucial. You do not want to skip this step because the way we're going to be promoting these offers is going to be different from the way you're used to. So we need to make sure that we actually pick the right offer here. So here are various categories we have on the left-hand side. Lots of really good categories. And the offers we're going to be promoting today is going to be make money online. And so we have business investings. We have e-business and marketing. We also have software and services, kind of fits into that. And so if we go into business investing, what we're looking at, so if I sort it from gravity high to low, we have wood profits, we have Forex, crypto, high conversion Forex. And this is another very, very crucial thing for you guys to understand is that we're not going to be promoting services. We're only going to be promoting products, okay? We want to promote a product that somebody can go out and purchase and use. They can see this product. What is a product? A product is a piece of software. Okay, it's a piece of software that you use. This browser, this Microsoft Edge browser I'm using right now, that's a product. A service is something like a course or a training or something like this. Courses are not going to work really good for the method that I'm going to talk about in a little bit. So if we go to e-business and e-marketing, we are going to see a lot of interesting offers here, and we're looking for products, okay? So it's sorted by gravity from high to low. We get paid to use Facebook. This is a service. ClickWell system. This is a service. Fast track. This is also a service, right? Turn text to speech. Okay, that's kind of like a product. 12-minute. This is a service. Perpetual income is a service. And then we stumble upon the Scribble 2021 world's #1 ebook creator. Now, this is an example of a product. Here's another service. Get paid to review apps. And if I would say like, a lot of these offers, when it comes to making money online, they are mostly services, right? Do this, there's some training to make money online, training to do this, training to do that. We don't want to promote those in this example. So if you open Scribble, right? If we open the software right here, this is the landing page, creates amazing ebooks and reports in just 5 minutes without typing any words. This is a product, right? This is a product. It could be an online product. It could be a product that you install, maybe a desktop. It could be a web app, a mobile app. Does not matter. This is a product, and this is what we're going to be promoting today. So the next step that we want to do is we all open the landing page, just like I have it here, and we want to take a look, and we want to make sure this is legit, right? This is actually a working landing page. We're not getting any errors. The landing page is very, very comprehensive, very, very thorough. Here it says added limited pages. It's fully customizable, drag and drop technology. It's got everything that we need. The next thing we want to do is we want to open their affiliate page. Okay, we want to get some ideas. Although I know how to promote it, I want to make sure that at least, they're willing to help us, right? I'm looking for an affiliate page. If there's a product with a very good landing page but no affiliate page, that's a red flag in my book. That means they don't really care about affiliates, or they're not making a lot of money, and so they don't want to put in the effort of creating these landing pages. So this is very, very important to understand. And also you can log in here and get more ideas to promote. I'm actually not really concerned about material or resources to promote, because the method we're going to be using is going to be fine without their resources. Now that we figured out, okay, we found an offer, we are sure that this is a good offer we want to promote. The next step is to go to our traffic source and start promoting the software. And the traffic source we're going to be using today is called a LinkedIn ads. This is targeted self-service ads. And they work just like Facebook, except they're targeted for businesses. Okay, so here's my LinkedIn, right? I'm browsing and I see, Microsoft, which owns LinkedIn. We have this promoted post here. We have a bunch of other people that I may know. We have various posts, Microsoft like this, Microsoft like that. We have promoted posts. So it's exactly like you would expect Facebook to work, except this is targeted for businesses, right? It's exactly like Facebook, but it's mostly targeted for businesses, and this is going to be perfect for us. So what you want to do is you want to Google for LinkedIn ads. You're going to open this page, and you're going to be on a page that looks something like this. You're going to have various accounts. You're going to be able to create various campaigns, and you will be able to create various ads for each of those campaigns. It's exactly like Facebook. It's exactly like anything else pretty much out there. And so the next step is to go ahead and create our ad campaign. So I'm going to go into my ad account right here, and I have this ad group, and I'm going to go into this ad group, and we're going to create a campaign. So I'm going to say create, and you want to follow exactly how I'm doing here, right? We have a campaign group. I'm just going to say default campaign group. I'm going to hit next. And now we're going to be picking our objective. I'm going to say brand awareness. We can also do website visits. Actually, I'm going to pick website visits here. What is our target audience? United States. And here is where we can pick our audience. So we have list upload, lookalike, retargeting, third party. We are not going to be doing audiences, right? Audiences is if you already been running ads before, right? If you're doing this for the first time, you're not going to pick. You want to go into audience attributes, and here you can pick company, demographic, job experience, interest and traits. I typically like interest and traits, so I'm going to pick that. And here you can do member traits. And you have to ask yourself, what kind of people would be interested in purchasing this product, an ebook? So there are really two types of people. You can narrow it down and say these are going to be authors, self-published individuals, people that want to create an ebook to sell, to sell an ebook maybe on Amazon or to give it away on their website, etc., etc. Or the second type of person, which is going to be just regular entrepreneurs. Like I'm interested in creating an ebook maybe as a lead magnet for my email list or something else. So if we go here, we have our member traits, and we can actually search. We can say entrepreneur. Okay, actually misspelled that right. We have entrepreneur. And so if we go to member interest and we type entrepreneur, we can select that. And now we can see that our target audience size is 37 million. And we can break it down by function, years of experience, company size. So you can do entrepreneurship here. You can deselect it, and you can pick even startups, right? We have 40 million. If you just do startups, you have 34 million. You can go into strategic management. You can do all this. So I'm just going to say entrepreneurship, member interest. I can narrow it further. So I can say and any of the following attributes. So there's job experience, and I can say member skills, and I can, type various things. I can say technical writing or something like this. I can do that. I can also target people interested in SEO. So if I do technical writing and SEO, it's down to 4.8 million, okay? So I'm going to scroll down. Let's say that's what I want to do. We're going to do a single image ad. And the next thing we need to do is to run this campaign, you must have a company or showcase page associated with this account. So what you guys need to do is you need to click on create a new LinkedIn page. You're going to pick small business here, and you're going to fill out this information here, page identity, company detail. Once you do that, you'll be able to associate this page with this specific campaign once you do that. Next, we have placement. We have the audience. I'm going to deselect the audience network. We're going to set a daily budget. Let's say you're only looking to spend $15 a day or something like this. Right? This is our 30-day spend. This is our click-through rate. You can kind of ignore this. My experience has told me that these are not extremely accurate. I mean, probably the day spend is going to be accurate, but anything else is not going to be accurate. Or you can put $10 in. These are just rough estimates, okay? Then you can start your campaign. You also have bidding, your maximum delivery, automated. So I would just start with automated. Maximum delivery, you can do target cost, but I would not do target cost when you're just starting out. I would do maximum delivery. And that's about it. Everything else is optional. So all you have to do, so once you associate the page, you are pretty much done. And so after you associate the page, you're going to hit next, and you're going to set up your ads. Like you do anywhere else. It's just going to be like Facebook ads or like Google ads, Google display ads or regular Facebook ads. And then you're going to hit review and launch. and then it's going to go into approval process, and typically anywhere from 24 to 48 hours, they typically approve it very, very quickly. You will have a campaign that's running, and that has ads, and you can specify what kind of text you want it to appear, below the image, what kind of promotion you want to do and all that. And once you do that, you're going to have a campaign that's running. Now, let me show you a more advanced method that you can use in combination with LinkedIn ads. A lot of people, they link an ad that appears on LinkedIn directly to the offer. A better way to do it is to use a tool like Tally and creating a form that you redirect to a form. And this could be some kind of a qualification. It could be a questionnaire. It could be just like anything. So I can call this form Questionnaire. And by the way, Tally is an amazing form builder. It's absolutely free for like 95% or 90% of the features are absolutely free. And this is going to be more than enough for what you're looking to do. So for instance, I'm going to say business questionnaire. Okay, that's the title. I'm going to hit enter. And I can start with a template here. I can start a feedback form, registration form, etc., etc. Or I can press enter and I can start with an empty form. I'm going to hit the /. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to ask them a couple of questions. Questions, short answer. This is going to be question 1. I'm going to do that in a second. Then I'm going to go in here, question, short answer. This is going to be question 2. And then we're going to do question, long answer maybe. And this is going to be question 3. And here you can ask them a bunch of things. So for instance, this could be like, what is your experience? What's your business experience? And you can even make it multiple choice or whatever you want. This could be like, how long, how many people, how big is your business? Or how many people work in your company? Or actually company size. And here you can have anything. What are your main challenges when it comes to in your business, or challenges, objectives? And they could do that. Now you're going to hit, which essentially means save. And now you're getting a share link. But before you share it, you want to go into settings and you want to do redirect on completion. And this is where you're going to send it to your ClickBank offer. So if you go back to ClickBank, you're going to hit promote. You're going to get your affiliate link right here. We're going to do generate hop link. You can generate it to any of these upsells or the trial or the default. You're going to copy this right here. I copied it. Now we're going to go back here and we're going to paste it here. And this is our link. So when we save it, we go back to our form, right? We go to share, we copy it. And this is where we're going to be redirecting. What's your business experience? I'm going to say, 2 years, company size, 5 people, to grow revenue, hire more people, etc. And we're going to hit submit. It's going to save everything. And then it's going to redirect us to an offer, which is amazing, which is exactly what you want to do. Another thing that you guys can do, this is very important, is you want to edit the form. And the first question you want to ask is, I'm just going to do question. I'm going to say email. Okay, and I'm going to say your best email. This is required. And now we're going to say publish, which means save. We're going to hit share, copy the link. And now we have the best email. What is your business experience? And now if I fill this in, I say, James, I fill all of this here, more revenue, more profit. I hit submit. We're going to get redirected to the offer. But if I go back to the form and I go into responses, I have my response. The first response was without the email. This response is with the email. I can expand it and I can take a look and I can even download the CSV, which is absolutely incredible. And this is definitely the recommended method of doing, because that way you're getting emails, you're getting leads, and you can market to them at a later date. All right, guys, so that is the method I wanted to share with you guys today. Remember, in ClickBank, you have to make sure you pick the right offer. So if you're not sure which are the right offers and which offers are not as good, I would advise you to go back to the video in the beginning and watch it again when I picked the right offer during the offer selection. Other than that, that is all I wanted to share with you guys for today. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.